Alright guys, welcome to another video. Today we are unboxing the January 2020 Nomadik Box. So stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, subscription box unboxings, then you have come to the right place. Please consider hitting that subscribe button if you haven't already. Today, January 2020 Nomadik Box, sent to you, or sent to me, to unbox for you as an early release. So, that's what we're gonna talk about today. Let me talk about a few things about Nomadik. Let me get to my cheat sheet, tell you some prices. Nomadik is a subscription box. You can get it for 1, 6, or 12 months. And if you get 1 month, it's $32.95 per month. If you get 6 months, it breaks it down to $31.95 per month. And if you get 12 months, it drops down to $29.99 per month. So you save money by going longer. You save some money on the box price. So let's just jump into it. So let me break out my handy dandy knife here. Recently did a review on this. This is the Gerber flat iron. Check that bad boy out. If you want to see the review of that, I'll put it in a card up top. But this is a pretty awesome knife. So let's get into this box and see what they have sent us for January. We'll keep this handy in case we need it. Let's just dive in. All right, so you see we've got our cool box. And let's see, first we have a sticker. You see our sticker there. And we have our pamphlet. All right, so if you're unfamiliar with Nomadik or you hadn't watched any of my other videos, this is a pamphlet that comes with every subscription box. All right, so each box has a theme, and inside the pamphlet is a description about everything in the box. So it looks like this one has 4 items. And then we have Nomadik tips over here if you open it up all the way. And if you close it, on the back side, you have a Nomadik challenge. So each and every month, this is January box. So the Nomadik challenge is good until the end of February. So you have a month to enter in the Nomadik challenge. They do 5 winners, and each winner gets a free $50 product bundle. All right, and then at the bottom of every pamphlet is a list of discounts. And sometimes those discounts are for the brands that are in the box. Sometimes they are previous brands. But there's always discount codes on here. So we'll keep that handy in case we got to read up on anything. And I will tell you, disclaimer, Nomadik did send me this box for free to unbox for you early. And I did pay for a 6-month subscription. After that, they started reaching out to me and started sending me some boxes. So I wanted to keep giving you guys some amazing content and some more gear to test out and try. So let's just jump in and grab the first thing that we see. So this is a Lucy light. So I have used a Lucy light before from this brand, but this is a solar inflatable candle. A candle. Okay, so check out the picture if it will focus. It actually looks like a candle. It looks like a flame in there. Wick-free, wax-free, flame-free. Candles have officially been reinvented. So this, let's open this up. So this is an inflatable, solar-powered candle, basically. So you can take this camping with you. Take this in the backyard while you roast marshmallows and make s'mores. And so it's pretty small, pretty compact. It doesn't get down quite as small as the other ones because I guess it's got the candle feature in here. And you just blow it up there and it already has a charge. Let's see if I can get this thing right where I can. So we have a flame. Looks like we have 3 different modes. And they'll probably show better after dark, so we'll have to try to get a picture of this in the dark. but it looks like a candle. It has a little flicker to it, and you've got your power button here, and you've got your solar panels. This is really cool. I can see my kids using this. I definitely wouldn't take this with me hiking or anything, but taking it on a family camp trip or something like that would be really cool. Or like I said, in the backyard making s'mores, really cool to have a little lantern that looks like a candle. All right, so next, let's see, Night Sky playing cards. Now, stargazing is more fun than ever. Learn about the night sky while playing your favorite games. Each card features its own constellation. The suit represents the best viewing, or the best season for viewing. Okay, so they actually, each playing card has a constellation on it. So as you're playing a card game while you're camping or whatever, you can learn about the stars. That is really cool. Tells you kind of where they are, tells you the name, tells you, looks like it tells you the scientific name, all that. So that's pretty cool. It's unique. It's not something that I would go out and necessarily buy, but that's the coolest part about Nomadik, is you get items that you may not regularly go out and buy. They send them to you. You get to test out this stuff. All right, so next we have Pillow X from Climate. I've read about this, I have seen this before, and everything I have heard about it is awesome. So you can see the pillow there. It is separated, and it is supposed to be a super comfortable pillow. It's 15 inches by 11 inches, 3.5 inches thick, and it weighs only 2.5 ounces. So you better believe that this guy will be testing this out and giving you some information on it, because like I said, I have heard really good things about Climate and this particular pillow. So we're going to be testing that out, and I will give you guys some information on it. It's got a drawstring closure bag here, for storage bag for it, and it also has a little hanger there where you could hang the bag up. This is reflective, it looks like, so it would be good able to find that if it falls and you don't see it. All right, so we should have one more thing in here. Oh, we got two more things in here. So we have, I don't know how to pronounce that, CHUAO chocolate. So what we have here is Firecracker, which is a mini chocolate bar, sea salt, a dash of chipotle, and popping candy crackle in dark chocolate. That sounds really good. And then we have Oh My S'mores. And this is a mini chocolate bar, fluffy marshmallow, and crushed honey graham crackers reunite in milk chocolate. I'm just thinking about it gets me choked up because it sounds so good. So we're going to be testing this out. I will definitely be looking into buying some more of this. I've never heard of this brand. And 60 calories each. Yeah, so 60 calories for this little mini chocolate bar, which is not bad. And I'm going to have to dig into that. I'll have to wait till my kids are home so they can check it out and try it with me. But that's what we got in this box. Really great box, I think, this month. Some of you guys may not think it is, but I'm telling you, this is a really great box. I need a new pillow, and this is pretty cool. I will test it out and use it and let you know how long the battery life lasts and all that kind of stuff. And this is cool, number one, for me to learn this stuff, but two, I have kids and want to get them into backpacking and camping and that kind of thing. So this would be a really good thing to help teach them about the constellations and what they see in the night sky and what it is and that kind of thing. So really cool box. Link will be in the description below if you're interested in Nomadik. Check it out. And this is an early release, so this is going to be coming. If you already have a subscription, this is your January box. This is what you're going to be getting. And yeah, so that's all I got for you today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to hit subscribe if you hadn't already. And until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.